Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mix Moving Always on the Move. It's time to leave Tarkarli today and head towards our favorite destination again, Goa. So we just came for our breakfast at our favorite eatery, Shivakrupa Hotel Shivakrupa. So let's take a look at Hotel Shivakrupa kitchen. I mean, I was so impressed by the cleanliness and the style of their working. Since the day one I have come to Tarkarli, I am having my lunch, my dinner, and my breakfast at Shivakrupa, and it has been a delight because every dish I have tasted here has turned out very tasty, and it has increased my appetite. I would like to give you a glimpse of the kitchen. I mean, I won't disturb them too much, but I'll just like to show you around that how exactly in what conditions they cook, and how clean and neatly maintained the kitchen is. So let's go. We have done with the breakfast. Now we're checking out from our existing Kinara resort, and we have called for a rickshaw to Malvan SC stand. So we'll be catching again. It would be a adventurous ride back home. Not home. Back to Kuda station, railway station. So we'll be going to Malvan ST stand. We have called for a rick. The place where we are regularly eating, they called for a rick, and now we'll go from this place Tarkarli to Malvan ST stand. Then we'll catch an ST from Malvan to Kuda railway station. Then we have a train booked, Madgaon Jan Shatabdi, which will drop us to Thivim, so that it would be easier for us to go at Kondolim, Kalangut or Baga area. So stay tuned. Chala. Picnic bus is going to Solapur. There is a snack shop exactly beside the Malvan bus stop. Let's see if they have anything to eat. Chikki आहे का? कशी?
5 रुपये.
उपासाला द्या ना.
किती देऊ?
गुगल पे आहे ना? दाखवा कशी साईज. अजून ऑप्शन आहे चिक्कीमध्ये?
नाही.
हाच द्या 4 मिनिट. ग्राउंडनट चिक्की, न्यूट्री बार काइंड ऑफ इंडियन न्यूट्री बार. 5 rupees per piece. Finally the bus has arrived. It was delayed by almost 20 minutes. Luckily we got a place to sit. So Now I'll be going to Kuda railway station in 25 minutes. Comparatively, the bus is clean. We've reached at Kuda bus stand, where while coming we took a bus. But today we are going towards Kuda railway station. I mean, this bus halts at Kuda railway station also directly. So we'll be getting down at Kuda railway station. It is more convenient rather than walking for probably 1.5 kilometer from railway station to railway bus stand. It is a better option. So we'll be getting down at Kuda railway station. Stop. Finally, this bus dropped us at Kuda railway station. It took almost 1 hour to reach from Malwan bus stand to Kuda railway station. But finally we reached at this spot. Now we don't have to travel more. Now we just need to catch a train, Madgaon Janashatabdi Express, which is actually delayed by half an hour. Let's see.
शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनस मडगांव जनशताब्दी एक्सप्रेस is arriving shortly on platform number 1.
Finally we have boarded the train.
600 वही दिखा रहे थे जो कि
almost 600 seats were available when I was booking train. So it's almost empty. It is just a 1 hour journey to Tirupati. So it's good. So one of the fastest travel, although we have to wait and we have to understand and absorb the delay, train and everything. But more or less it is a good way to travel. Ticket is only 85 rupees, but comparatively it is pretty clean. It is a general compartment, it is second sitting in Madgaon Janashatabdi Express. So nice. It's an unexplored travel route. I haven't explored it yet. So it is new thing for me that you can travel at a very cheap rate, that too covering a very long distance, because it's almost 70 kilometers from Kuda to Tibet. So it's worth it if you're traveling at 85 rupees, and that too one of the fastest route without sitting in the ST bus. So it is very convenient and nice. Wow, we have reached Thivim. It was a pretty short journey. I like this. This was a good decision to travel by train. rather than ST bus. It was quick and short also, and the train was clean, and it was empty comparatively. There was no crowd, so it was a very comfortable journey of 1 hour. Plus there were washroom also inside if anybody wanted to freshen up, at least want to go washroom. So that was good. Now we'll look for maybe taxi towards Condolim, or we want to explore more travel ways actually. So if there are buses going towards Condolim, then we might catch bus also. So we have to explore new areas, new ways of travel. So let's go. Once you get down from Thivim and you come, there is an executive lounge for waiting. Cool. It's a long time I'm traveling by train to Goa. That's why I'm not aware about this. The executive lounges are good for waiting. Really good.
ठीक है पार्किंग पे देना
I hope they have executive lounges at Madgaon also, because while going back we have a train from Madgaon. While going back we have a train from Madgaon, and that too at 1:30 in the evening. So that will be great if you have this facility at Madgaon. Executive lounge. The auto rickshaw to Condolim they are saying is 900. Condolimला किती? दोन जण आहेत. Condolim बीचच्या इथे जवळ. एक ही जगह उतरने का थोड़ा hello. So the auto rickshaws are also charging as good as taxi charges. I mean, to be very honest, if you're going by an auto rickshaw and if you have a luggage, then it won't be convenient for even two people to sit with the luggage. I mean, at least two people is fine, but if three of you are going, and if you think that you can share the fare, then it won't be comfortable if three of you have your own luggage and then you sit in auto rickshaw and then split that 900, because I don't know, recently I've seen that the charges have skyrocketed here. Let's go ahead and look for some other route of transport, because I think the taxis will be almost 1500 rupees if the auto rickshaw is asking for 900 towards Condolim. Surprising that even the taxi guy is offering the same price as good as auto wala. Let's see. Everybody is going ahead towards the bus ride, because things have become very expensive out here. That's why. So let's go. I can see some buses. I believe the buses go towards Condolim, Kalangut, Baga beach area. This kind of mini buses leaves from and it leaves after half an hour time, I guess. Every half an hour the bus leaves to Mapsa. From Mapsa you have to go again, take a different route of transport to reach Kalangut, Condolim or any other destination you decide to go. So stay. Finally, the bus halted 2 minutes before Mapsa bus stand. So we got down there as we wanted to explore, walk and explore. Bus charges were 30 rupees per person from Thivim railway station till Mapsa bus stand. The bus charges were 30 rupees per person. So it was quite reasonable, because although I have to travel ahead now, there is almost 7 minutes travel, 7 kilometers from here. This is Mapsa bus stand. From here you will get a bus to Kondolim, Kalangut and Baga. The bus which will go towards Sinquarium, Mapusa, Kondolim, Kalangut, Marco. Nice. Finally have reached Kondolim, but that bus driver didn't halt at our stop. He took us almost half kilometer ahead of where we were supposed to get down. Now I think this is not a government run buses, these are the private buses. That's why these people take advantage of their control over the service. Let's see, now I have to walk for half a kilometer so that I'll reach at my hotel, Jolly Panda. So I've reached Kondolim and that's it for this today's vlog. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Mix Moving, always on the move, and kindly share your valuable comments as it means a lot to me. Thank you.